So this is part 3 of our rear bumper repair video on our lovely 2005 Mazda Tribute. So basically for this repair, I have a mini ratchet, extension, optional, and a T25 Torx by Mac. I love them. So now what we're going to do, if you see this bolt here, we're going to tighten this bolt up. I already lifted it, so it's in place. This is a precautionary warning, never over tighten any bolts, because if you do, they could strip. We're going to have problems. We're not going to have that today. So we're just going to let it out a little bit, make sure everything is aligned. Make sure that's aligned. Perfect. Let me double check. Always double check your work. Make sure the body line matches up. Perfect. What we do is we're going to evenly put pressure, not much. So that is now tight. Okay. If I go any further, this is very heavy duty plastic. I don't want to crack it. So we're going to repeat the same step on that side. So what we're going to do is we're going to loosen this a bit more. And I appreciate your patience. You guys are absolutely phenomenal. Can't thank you enough. What we're going to do is we're going to lift the bumper. Tap, smidgen. Usually these bumpers are very finicky, so a little force, just a little bit. Sure it's level. Now, grab our Torx. Don't ream it down. But usually it helps. Check alignment. Perfect. Now we do an inspection again. Before we do that, always check for weather stripping. Whether it's been hit in the rear, always check it. This customer is a very active individual, so he's in and out of his car. He works construction. So we expected a little bit of weather stripping to pop off. This is just a thing that we noted in our pre-inspection. And I will do another instructional video on how to pop this panel and tuck in the weather stripping. So as we can tell, our gaps now are perfect. There is no more sagging. Let's demonstrate, shall we? There's no more sagging. There's a little bit of play, but that's expected. That's why we check our work. Okay. A little bit of play, nothing too dramatic. And there you go. Now we line it up again. Make sure there's no gaps or rubbing anything. That's perfect. So this was a short instructional video on how to fix a loose bumper on a Mazda Tribute. If you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns, let me know. I'll answer you right away. Make videos every Monday and Tuesday. Stay tuned for more. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Back to work.